guys, today's video is going to be a testing out Pinterest beauty hacks video. In this video, I'm going to be testing out a few methods that claim to help grow your eyelashes overnight. They're super easy to do and the internet absolutely raves about them, so I'm so excited to try them. If you have any ideas for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll try my best to get around to them.
For the first method, we're going to need two things. The first being some cotton buds, and this just helps you apply the product onto your eyelashes without creating any mess. And the second thing is some rapeseed oil, and this is absolutely amazing for your hair, and the internet says it's just as good for your eyelashes. So I started by pouring some out into the lid, and after I got some in there, I just took my cotton bud and swirled it around in the lid until I got a little drip on the end. When I got the little drip on the end, I applied it straight to my eyelashes, and I started along the lash line because this is where most of the oil is absorbed. Then I like to just go over every single eyelash, and it's really important to do this, and I spend about 1 to 2 minutes on this because it helps ensure that the eyelashes grow and it also makes them soft and look really nice. Then we're going to do a method that's kind of like the inversion method, and we're just going to massage our eyelids and make sure all the oils are rubbed in. I like to do this for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then every 2 to 3 hours after this I like to massage it again, and I normally do it for about 2 minutes. It doesn't feel painful or anything because there is still some oil on the eyelashes, so it isn't dry. For method 2, we're also going to need two things. The first being some cotton buds, and I think this is absolutely essential because this is one that's really hard to apply. And the second thing being some Vaseline, and Vaseline is meant to be absolutely amazing for eyelash growth. It's meant to strengthen it, it's meant to protect it, soften it, help it grow, everything. But you do need the tiniest amount of this because if you apply too much, I will show you in a second, it just goes so wrong. And you just want to massage this a tiny bit, but then you can just leave it overnight. The reason I use a cotton bud instead of using my fingers is because when I used my finger originally, I was doing just the normal amount that you would use for lip balm, and I put it onto my eyelashes and it picked up so much and it was so painful and it just stuck my eyelashes up and was really hard to get out. So this is what it looks like before, and this is what my eyelashes look like after, and it doesn't look like there is much of a difference, but the blonde hairs on the end really grew a lot. So I decided to add a coat of mascara to show you the difference, and I really recommend these methods.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe.